my name is Alexey. I want to tell about program language. Uh, let's understand about the language first. What is a language? A language is a medium of communication to share ideas, opinions with each other. For an example, if we want to communicate with someone, we need a language. It may be English, Hindi, Spanish, or another language, but you need a last one language to communicate with someone, human person. What is a programming language? To communicate with a person, you need a language. If you need to communicate with the computer, you need a programming language. Without any programming language, you cannot communicate with the computer. This programming language is the medium of communication between you, a person, and a computer system. It is a set of some instruction written in a specific style to instruct the computer to do some specific task. Type of computer programming language. There are basically three types of computer programming language. They are low-level programming language, middle-level programming language, and high-level programming language. Low-level programming language. They are machine-dependent programming language such as binary and assembly language. Since computer only understand the binary language, that means instruction in the form of 0 and 1 signals that can be either high or low. So this programming language are the best way to give signals. Machine code binary language does not need any interpreter or compiler to convert language in any form, because computer understand these signals directly. But assembly language needs to be converted in requirement binary code, so that computer can understand instruction writer in assembly. Assembler is used to cover and assembly code to its requirement binary code. The code are written in such a kind of language and difficult to write, read, edit, and understand. The programs are not probably to any other computer system. Low-level programming language. First, the high-level programming language. Programs as they have less keyboard symbols and less need to convert into machine code. Middle level programming language. Since there is such coterie of computer programming language, but there are programming languages that have a future of low level and high level programming language come under this category. Since we can say that the programming language which have features of low level as well a high level programming language, known as a middle level programming language. C programming language is the best example of low level programming language, as it has features of low level and high level programming language, both high level programming languages. This is a machine independent programming language which are easy to write, read, edit and understand. The languages like Java, Net, Pascal, Cabal, C Sharp and other, which are very popular now to developer, user and applications. This language come under the high-level programming language category. High-level programming language have some special keyboards, features and class libraries, but using them we can easily build a programming for the computer. Computer does not understand program written in such language directory. As I have written about, the computer understands only machine code. So here programming language are recognized to convert a high-level program to its equivalent machine code. Programming translation such a computer and interpreted as the system software which converts a program written in particular programming language to its equivalent machine code. Here are the features of high-level programming languages. The programs are written in high-level programming languages and are independent. The main programming written and system can be run on another system. Easy to understand. Some things programming language have keywords, features, class, libraries which are similar to English words. We can easily understand the meaning of particular term related to the programming language. Easy to code, read and edit. The programming written is a high-level programming language, are easy to code, read and edit. When we can edit program writing by other program, easily be having little knowledge of the programming language. Think high-level language programs are slower and low-level language programs. Still, the programming language are popular to developer, user and application. Popular program languages. There are those sons and programming language are and many more and being written every year. Here is a list of some popular programming language and somewhere written using them. This is our popular programming language: Java, C, C++, Python, C Sharp, PHP, JavaScript, SQL, Ruby. Characteristic of programming languages are: programming language must be simple, easy to learn and use, have good readability and human recognizable. Abstraction is a must-have characteristic for programming languages, in which ability to believe the complex structure and then its degree of usability counts. Probably programming language is always preferred. Programming language just efficiency must be high so that it can be easily converted into a machine code and consumes little space in memory. A programming language should be well structured and documented so that it is stable for opinion development. Necessary tools for development, debugging, testing means tense of a program must um, be provided by a programming language. A programming language should provide since environment known as integrated development. A programming language must be consistent in terms of syntax and semantics. Thank you for attention.